Hello, my name is Summer. This is a demonstration of my final prototype. The goal of this project is to solve a common problem for students or professionals that want to actively track their nutritionals, but they regularly dive from the corporate dining halls or school, but the nutritional information is very vague or non-existent. So the initial research showed that user really wanted accurate data, but they don't trust the black box AI. They trust their peers, but they don't want a lot of efforts to log in food from scratch by looking up online. So this prototype, we my proposal was to have a hybrid system where we have AI assisted data and then also have community verification. So here is the main menu. It lists the food items available today from different dining halls. Right away, you can see the core design of this prototype. So next to each of the menu item, say protein power smoothie, we can see AI generated calorie count, 280 calories for one serving. And the next important stuff is the community confidence score. For the smoothie, it's 61% of confidence, and then it's pretty low, so user might have lower trust in the accuracy of the data. But for the vegetable korma, we have 89% of confidence. That suggests we have higher confidence level in this AI recommended data. How do we calculate the confidence levels? That will be in the details page. So once user entered into the details of any of the meal, they can see a more detailed calculated macronutrients screen where those are also AI generated. We can see how we generate those data, but most importantly, we can, as a community member, we can look correct to the data. And then once the number of people clicking on the look correct is high, we will raise the confidence level, so user will have higher confidence that the recommended AI data is accurate. We can also adjust our nutrition metrics from this edit screen, but it's not gonna show to others. This is the details page. The next important part of this design is the goal-oriented meal planner feature. Through our design, we realized nutritional tracking is a really complicated or time-consuming efforts, and it's complicated to the novice or new users. So here we design the help me plan features that have very low cognitive load. The only thing they need to do is tell me what kind of meal plan that's for your target. If you want to cut, that is losing weight, or if you just maintain what your current weight is, or you actually want to bulk, you can simply click on one of the options, and then we will make the meal plan for you based on the availability of your neighborhood restaurants. You can all the meal options will be dynamically generated based on the recommendation of a calorie count and the macronutrition levels for each of the protein, carbs, and fat. We will also pick meals with higher community verified scores. So all of these will have higher scores than the rest of the option we recommend here. Well, the reason we have this generated meal plans are not one more thing that I want to point out is the generated meal plan is not like rigid. You can actually adjust as you want, just to say if I want to dine more in a lunch and less in the breakfast, or you just actually want to eat less in dinner. But the main goal here is to have you have more control over the feature. But yeah, that's a short demonstration of the prototype that we want to introduce to the menu app.